Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to make this beautiful and very simple crochet beanie hat for you. I made that for child size, but you can adjust that for bigger sizes or smaller sizes and make that for each size you want. I used a worsted weight yarn for this hat, and I made the brim of that with a 4mm hook and the body of that with a 5mm hook. Okay, this hat is a bottom-up hat, and we first make the brim of that and then start the body of the hat. If you're ready, let's get started. For making the brim of the hat, we should first make a band and then join two edges of the band together. So with smaller hook, make a slip knot and then 10 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you want to have a higher brim, you can add some chains to these chains, and these chains determine the width of the band. Now, skip the first chain and make one single crochet into second chain. Again, one single crochet into next chain, one single crochet into the next, and repeat that work and make one single crochet into each chain across. Now make one chain, turn the work and start row 2. Insert the hook under both loops of first stitch, make one single crochet, and then make one back loop only single crochet into next stitch of previous row. Insert the hook into this loop, not under 2 loops, here into this back loop, and make one single crochet. Again, make one single crochet into back loop of next stitch, and again repeat that work, and we should make one back loop only single crochet into each of these middle stitches except the last stitch. And now for last stitch, make one single crochet under both loops of that. And row 2 is finished. Make a chain, turn the work, and repeat row 2. One single crochet under both loops of first stitch, one back loop only single crochet into each of next 7 middle stitches, and at the end make one single crochet into 2 loops of the last stitch of previous row, not into back loop of that only. Here, insert hook under both loops and make one single crochet, make a chain, and turn the work, and repeat this row more and more until the length of this band reach the desired circumference and fit it around your head. And the number of these rows of single crochets should be a multiple of 3 because of the pattern of the body. I repeat this work, this row several times, and then I'll come back. Okay, now I have 60 rows of single crochets and the length of my brim is enough. And now I should join 2 sides of that together. So fold the brim in half and put row 1 on the last row. Make one chain. And now insert the hook under 2 loops of first stitch from last row and into the first loop of row 1. Grab the yarn and pull through to create a slip stitch. Again, insert the hook under 2 loops of next stitch from last row and into remaining loop of next stitch from row 1. Grab the yarn and pull through and make next slip stitch. And again repeat that work. Join next 2 stitches together with a slip stitch and continue this work, and join all stitches of last row, so front stitches from row 1 with slip stitch. After joining all stitches, turn the band so that these slip stitches are placed into the work. And now my brim is ready and I want to start the body of the hat. So remove the hook and continue the work with larger hook. Make one chain and 1 single crochet into this space and hide this tail through the work. Now make 1 single crochet at top of first row of the brim under these 2 loops and 1 single crochet at top of next row of the brim into this hole. Again, 1 single crochet under these 2 loops of the last stitch of next row of the brim and 1 single crochet into this hole at top of next row of the brim, and continue this work and make single crochets at top of each row of the brim until the end. Now round 1 is finished and I have 60 single crochets. Make a slip stitch at top of first single crochet and make 1 chain to start round 2. In this round, make 1 single crochet into first stitch, then make 2 chain and skip next 2 stitches of previous round, and then make 1 single crochet into next stitch. Again, make 2 chains, skip next 2 stitches of previous round and make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that work. 2 chains, skip 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet into next stitch, 2 chain, skip next 2 stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, and continue this sequence until the end. At the end, after last single crochet and chain 2, I have 2 stitch left. Skip them and make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet, then make 2 chain and start round 3. In this round, I should make 1 front post double crochet around each single crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert a hook around the same stitch and make 1 front post double crochet. Then go to this hole under these 2 chains and make 3 double crochet here. 1, 2 and 3. Again, make 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch and 3 double crochet into this chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. One more time. 1 front post double crochet around next single crochet and 3 double crochet under these 2 chains. 1, 2 and 3, and continue this work. We should make 1 front post double crochet around each single crochet and 3 double crochet into each chain 2 space. Now at the end of this round, after last 3 double crochets, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, then make 1 chain to start round 4. In this round, we should make 1 front post single crochet around each front post double crochet of previous round. Okay, insert a hook around first stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through 2. This is a front post single crochet, and then make 2 chains and skip next 3 double crochets. Again, go around next front post double crochet, make 1 front post single crochet, then make 2 chains and skip next 3 double crochets, and repeat that work. Make 1 front post single crochet around next front post double crochet, then make 2 chain, skip next 3 double crochets, and continue this sequence. We should make 1 front post single crochet around each front post double crochet, and then make 2 chain and skip all double crochets, and continue this sequence until the end. Now at the end, after skipping the last 3 double crochets, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post single crochet, make 2 chains and repeat round 3. In this round, we should make 1 front post double crochet around each front post single crochet, then make 3 double crochet into each chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again, make 1 front post double crochet around next front post single crochet and make 3 double crochet into next chain 2 space. and continue this sequence until the end of the round. And after that we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 4 and round 5. We should repeat these 2 rounds several times until the height of the hat from here, from the start of the ribbed band, reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated round 4 and round 5 more times, and now I should form the crown of the hat. So make 1 chain and 1 front post single crochet around first front post double crochet, then make 1 chain only instead of 2 chains between these 2 single crochet front posts in 2 rounds below. We should make 1 chain only, and then make 1 front post single crochet around next front post double crochet. Again, make 1 chain, skip next 3 double crochets and make 1 single crochet around next front post double crochet, and repeat that work. Make 1 chain, skip all of 3 stitches, and then make 1 single crochet front post around next front post double crochet, and continue this work until the end. And after last single crochet front post and chain 1, skip all of these 3 stitches, the last 3 stitches of previous round, and make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post single crochet, and start next round with 2 chain and 1 front post double crochet around first front post single crochet, then make 2 double crochet into this chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Again, 1 front post double crochet around next front post single crochet, and 2 double crochet into chain 1 space. Actually, we should decrease the number of double crochets from 3 to 2, and continue this work. Make 1 front post double crochet around each front post single crochet, and make 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space of previous round, and continue until the end. After making 1 slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, make 1 chain and start next round with 1 front post single crochet around first front post double crochet, and then without chaining, skip next 2 double crochets and go around the next front post double crochet and make 1 front post single crochet. Again, don't make any chain, skip next 2 stitches and make 1 front post single crochet around next stitch. One more time. Don't make any chain, skip next 2 double crochets of previous round and make 1 single crochet front post around next double crochet front post, and continue this work. And we should skip all double crochets and only make front post single crochet around each front post double crochet. I skipped the last 2 double crochets of previous round and made a slip stitch at top of first front post single crochet. Now make 2 chain to start next round and make 1 front post double crochet around the same stitch, the first front post single crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into this space between these 2 front post single crochets. Okay, yarn over, insert hook into the space and make 1 double crochet. Again, 1 front post double crochet around next front post single crochet, and 1 double crochet into the space between these 2 front post single crochets. One more time, 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet into the space, and continue this work. And now for last round, make 1 chain and 1 front post single crochet around first 2 stitches. Insert hook around first 2 stitches and grab the yarn and make 1 front post single crochet. Again, go around next 2 stitches at the same time and make next front post single crochet. One more time, make 1 front post single crochet around next 2 stitches. Insert the hook from front to back to front around both of next 2 stitches, grab the yarn, pull through, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. And we should continue this work and make 1 front post single crochet decrease around each of next 2 stitches until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end. And if you want to have a smaller hole at top of your hat, you can repeat the last round 1 or 2 more times, and at the end make 1 slip stitch into first front post single crochet decrease. And I want to cut the yarn and pull this tail, and then you should turn the work to wrong side and weave in this tail through all of these stitches of previous round, and pull tightly to close the hole at top of your hat, and after that attach a pom-pom. Okay, now my beautiful hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.